In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to find your draft messages on Microsoft Outlook. Drafts are the emails you started but didn't send yet, and Outlook saves them automatically so you can pick up where you left off. Knowing exactly where to find them saves time and prevents you from rewriting messages from scratch. Let's start with the new Outlook and Outlook on the web. When you open Outlook in a browser or you're using the new Outlook app interface, look to the left-hand side where your folders are listed. This is your navigation pane, and it shows folders like Inbox, Sent Items, and Drafts. If you don't see everything at first glance, scroll down the list. Depending on your screen size or how many mail folders you have, Drafts might be a little further down. Once you spot the Drafts folder, click it. Your unfinished emails will appear in the message list, and you can review them there. If you manage more than one email account in Outlook, make sure you're looking at the correct account's Drafts folder. Each account has its own set of folders. Now, if you're using Classic Outlook, the process is very similar. Open the Outlook application and focus on the folder pane on the left side, just below your inbox. This is the column that shows your mail folders for each account. Look for the Drafts folder in that list and click it to view your saved messages. Classic Outlook often shows account next to the folder name if you have unsent drafts, which can help you confirm there's something inside. If you don't see the Drafts folder where you expect it in Classic Outlook, take a moment to check the Deleted Items folder. Sometimes a draft message can be removed accidentally, and checking deleted items is a quick way to make sure it didn't get moved there. Open deleted items and scan for anything that looks like the draft you're expecting. This is especially helpful if you were cleaning up folders or if a drag and drop action moved something unintentionally. A couple of reminders as you look: Outlook usually auto-saves drafts as you type, so even if you closed a window, the message may still be waiting in drafts. Also, the folder list can be longer than it appears at first, so scrolling is key, particularly if you have lots of folders or multiple mail accounts. That's all there is to it. Whether you're on the new Outlook, Outlook on the web, or Classic Outlook, your Drafts folder is the home base for all your unfinished messages. Thanks for watching.